So katatapos ko lang po mag-rounds and na-notice ko marami akong nakukuhang questions and comments regarding blood sugar monitoring. So paano nga ba ang tamang pagmo-monitor ng blood sugar? So ang pag-monitor ng blood sugar ng isang patient, we call it the self-monitoring of blood glucose. Now, dalawa po ang pwede nyong i-monitor. Number 1 is yung fasting or yung hindi pa kumakain ng at least 8 hours. Usually, ginagawa natin to before breakfast and yung 2 hours after eating or yung 2 hours postprandial na tinatawag natin na blood sugar. Okay? Pag fasting po, dapat ang last meal nyo is at least 8 hours and not more than 12 hours para hindi naman over fasting. And ang result po nito should be at least kung kayo po ay diabetic na less than 120 milligrams per deciliter or less than 6.5 millimoles per liter. Kung hindi pa kayo diabetic, dapat ang result nito is less than 100 milligrams per deciliter or less than 5.6 millimoles per liter. Now, if ang gusto niyo naman pong i-measure is 2 hours after eating na blood sugar level ninyo, you should start your timer kung kailan kayo nag-start kumain until 2 hours after. And ang normal blood sugar level po, kung kayo po ay diabetic, it should not exceed 200 milligrams per deciliter or 11 millimoles per liter. And kung hindi pa kayo diabetic, dapat hindi po lalagpas ng 140 milligrams per deciliter or less than 7.5 millimoles per liter. So yan po ang proper way ng pag-monitor ng inyong blood sugar.